Welcome to all of you on the great initiative by PBN, that is Wellbeing by PBN. This is Harpreet Khattar, founder and director of Seculabs and Herx Technologies. In this pandemic era, people are avoiding newspapers with a mindset that the vendor who is distributing Facebook, if that person is infected with COVID, then COVID can come to your home also. That's why even second part is newspaper gets printed the next early morning 4 a.m. The crime which has happened or the news which has happened today will be shown in newspapers tomorrow, but you can view the live footage of that particular news immediately on Facebook once it is going on. You have already seen it, but Facebook was definitely designed to showcase this kind of beautiful features, but some negative enthusiast technology experts, which we also call as black hat hackers. Facebook was definitely designed to showcase this kind of beautiful features, but some negative enthusiast technology experts, which we also call as black hat hackers. Even I know that there are white hat hackers also, which gives positive technology enhancements, but some negative mindset people, they try to use your digital identity to make money or to defame you. The most common attack nowadays going on is, suppose my profile on Facebook is by the name Harpreet Khattar and I have uploaded a couple of pictures also. A hacker would download my photos and will use those photos to create a new account, will block me from that account and then use that account to send messages to all of my contacts that I am trapped somewhere in Dubai or somewhere where my phone is not accessible, and thereby I have lost my wallet also and I am in swear need of 5-10,000 bucks, and some of my contacts would transfer money to them and then they will reactivate that account. This is what happens very commonly. So for this sole reason, I suggest you that you must upload a casual message on your social media wall mentioning that this is your only official account and your friends must not accept any friend request from any other account newly created on your name, and you don't have any mindset to create a new account. So any other request or transaction from that message should not be inculcated to your friends. Next security norm is, you must click on the downward arrow to the right of your Facebook account and go to the second last option, that is settings. In settings, first tab you will get is general. In your general tab, your general information of account will be mentioned, that is your name, your username, your basic primary email, which I suggest you must create 2 email IDs. You should alternately use them after every 3 months, so that if some hacker has the access to any of your primary account, you'll shift your access to other primary so that your account is safeguarded. Next is your security and login information. Once you'll click on this tab, Facebook will get you all the locations from or devices list from where your account was logged in past 3 to 6 months, so that you can have a clear picture if somebody is accessing your account without your authorization or not. I suggest you should click on see more and log out of all the sessions. For any other queries, if you want to contact me, you can contact through PBN also, where we can answer all of your queries you have dropped in the comment section. We are really happy to assist you here, and we'll be coming up with more beautiful sessions in the coming week. Thank you so much.